This has to be one of the most niche things that I have gotten off of Amazon. And now that I've got it, I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it. Are you kidding? There are no instructions in here. How in the heck am I supposed to figure out how this thing works? So this is specifically for people who film stuff on their phone. If you don't know, the camera on the front of your phone is not as good a quality as the camera on the back of your phone. However, if you're filming stuff like this, where it's helpful to see myself on the screen, it's just easy to film stuff on the front camera. However, the back camera does produce a better quality. So, I was influenced to get one of these by someone that I follow who is an influencer. So this is a type of rig that you put on your phone, and it literally is a mirror. So it hooks to your phone so that you can use the back camera while still being able to see what your screen looks like. So I'm gonna attempt to put this together. There are no instructions in here. I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to put this together, and then I will show you what this looks like in the mirror. This is the part that obviously goes on your phone. I'm missing something? Why do these things not come with instructions? I don't understand how they go together. Okay. Maybe. Got it. So it slides here. What is this for though? Don't understand that. I'm so confused. Why did it come with one of these? I don't see anywhere on here that you would use this. I guess maybe here? Again, why are there no instructions? This should be much easier. Yeah, I'm already like frustrated by this thing and thinking like, I'm never gonna use this. It like sounds so good in theory, but okay. I'm gonna keep moving. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Okay, so I think I figured it out. I don't like this thing. Okay, so pardon the fact that I'm in my bathroom. I don't know how else to show what this looks like while recording on my phone. Okay, so it clamps on the back of your phone, and then you have this mirror so you can see your screen while recording into the back cameras, right? This is what this looks like. It's huge. And it's a little bit heavy. It's very awkward to hold. You definitely need some sort of gimbal or a tripod to hold this for you, because this is like extremely awkward to hold. But you can kind of see my screen. It's really hard to see though. No matter what kind of adjustment I make, there's obviously this bar that is cutting my line of sight off, and you kind of see it there. Like, ugh. But it's still just like, I feel like I understand the concept, I understand what it's trying to do. It just unfortunately doesn't do it super well. I do a lot of vlogging. We go to amusement parks, and that's what I mainly make videos for, is our family trips and riding roller coasters. This would never ever work for that. It's way too big, way too clunky. There's no way I'm walking through an amusement park like this. Like, just never. For my intents and purposes, this is just too much. Do yourself a favor. Do not be influenced to get one of these and just skip this. Follow along, I'll show you more good and bad stuff that I get off of Amazon. Hopefully that turned out okay, because I have no idea what that looked like.